In this video, I'll guide you through how to compress a PDF in Affinity Designer. We'll start from opening the app, bring in your PDF, and then walk through the export settings that actually reduce the file size. By the end, you'll have a smaller, optimized PDF ready to share or upload without needing any extra software. First, go ahead and open the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, since that's where you'll find all the export options we're going to use. Give it a moment to load, and once you see the main interface, you're ready to bring in your PDF. Next, look toward the very top left of the screen and click on File in the menu bar. This is where you'll find all of your basic options like opening, saving, and exporting documents. From that file menu, click on Open. This will bring up your system's file browser so you can locate the PDF you want to compress. In the file browser window, navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored. Click once on the PDF file you want to compress to select it, and then click Open. Affinity Designer will start importing the PDF. If your document has multiple pages, it may take a few seconds, especially if it's large or image heavy. After you do that, you'll typically see an options window pop up confirming how you want to import the PDF. Here you can usually leave the default settings as they are unless you have a specific reason to change them. To proceed, simply click OK. Affinity Designer will now load the PDF into a new document, and you should see your pages appear on the canvas or in the Pages panel. Once your PDF is open and you can see it in Affinity Designer, you're ready to move on to the export and compression part. Look toward the top of the interface for the export options. Depending on your version, you may see an export drop-down at the top right. Click on that export drop-down to reveal the available export choices. Even though we're ultimately going to use the main file menu to export, this helps you confirm you're in the right area and that export functions are available. Now, go back up to the very top left of the screen and click on File again. From this file menu, choose Export. This is the main command that lets you choose your final file format and compression settings. When you click Export, an export dialog window will open showing different file format options across the top or in a list. In this export window, find and select the option labeled PDF, small size, or a similarly named preset that indicates a smaller, compressed PDF. This preset is designed to reduce the file size by adjusting things like image quality and resolution while still keeping the document readable. This is especially useful if you're emailing the PDF, uploading it to a website, or trying to meet a size limit. Once you've chosen PDF, small size as the file format, confirm any other basic settings you need, such as the file name and where you want to save it on your computer. When everything looks good, click Export. Affinity Designer will process the document and create a new compressed PDF in the location you selected. After it finishes, you can open that exported file from your system to double check that the quality looks acceptable and that the file size is smaller than the original. And that's all you need to do to compress a PDF in Affinity Designer.